Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. It's very nice to meet you again. It's me, Indara, mom of Ayaran. In this tutorial, I'd like to share how to make a cross body back straps using synthetic leather. As usually, before I start, please subscribe, like, share, and leave your comment below. Okay, let's get started. Okay, for the material, I used two straps of synthetic leather, 2 pieces of swivel hook, 1 slide buckle, and of course we did a glue and something to apply it. Here I use a stick, ice cream stick, and of course a hammer. And this is how I make it. First, apply the glue on the bedside of the synthetic leather, and then fold the side of the leather to the center of the leather, both sides. Do the same process to the another one. And after that, hammer it. Apply the glue to both sides of the synthetic leather and then stick it together. And hammer it, and then put a clip on it. Okay, then we top stitch it with a sewing machine using a very small seams allowance. It is about 2 or 3 millimeters. Do the process for the both sides, and then to the center of slide buckle, and then top stitches. And then take the opposite end through the swivel hook. Put it again to the center of the side, to the center of the slide buckle. And then through the swivel hook and stitches. Okay, thank you for watching. See you on my next tutorial. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.